Why is social media marketing more crucial than ever in 2023? The digital landscape is ever evolving, and social media marketing has become indispensable in this dynamic era. It's a potent tool that has evolved from being a mere platform for socializing to a significant game changer in the marketing universe. In 2023, it's no longer enough to merely exist online. With millions of businesses vying for attention, it's vital to stay up to date with the latest social media trends and strategies. And that's where our 4 phenomenal books come into play: Social Media for Beginners, Instagram Marketing to Become an Influencer, Facebook Advertising, and Google AdWords. These books are your roadmap to navigate the intricate maze of social media marketing, offering invaluable insights and proven strategies to elevate your online presence. So, whether you're a novice dipping your toes in the digital waters or a seasoned marketer looking to sharpen your skills, these books have got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the key takeaways from these 4 influential books on social media marketing. Diving into the world of social media can seem daunting at first, but fear not, for Social Media for Beginners is your lifesaver. This book makes the vast digital landscape navigable for everyone, even if you're just dipping your toes in. It emphasizes the importance of building an online presence, a key element in today's digital era. This isn't just about posting photos or videos, it's about creating a brand, a voice that resonates with your target audience. It's about fostering connections and engaging with your community in a meaningful way. The book provides a plethora of strategies to achieve this, from content creation to audience interaction, and everything in between. Whether you're a small business owner, an influencer in the making, or just a curious individual, Social Media for Beginners offers a comprehensive guide to harnessing the power of social media. This book provides a roadmap for those beginning their journey in social media marketing. The path to becoming an influencer requires strategic planning, and that's where the book, Instagram Marketing to Become an Influencer, comes into play. This resourceful guide takes you on a journey, starting from the very basics of setting up your Instagram profile, all the way to becoming a full-fledged influencer. One of the key takeaways from this book is the emphasis on creating engaging content. It's not just about posting pictures or videos, but curating a story that resonates with your audience. It's about showcasing your uniqueness, your voice, and your brand. The book also delves into strategies for growing your followers. It highlights the importance of consistency, engagement, and making use of Instagram's features like hashtags, stories, and IGTV. It also stresses on the power of collaborations and networking. Remember, being an influencer isn't just about the numbers, it's about making an impact. This book is a comprehensive guide for anyone aspiring to become an Instagram influencer. Mastering Facebook advertising and Google AdWords can significantly boost your business. Let's delve into 2 instrumental books on the subject: Facebook Advertising and Google AdWords, Analytics, SEO, and AdWords for your business. These books provide a comprehensive guide on how to run successful ad campaigns, harnessing the power of these 2 dominant platforms. Facebook Advertising is a game changer. It lays out the landscape of Facebook's advertising platform, making it accessible even to beginners. It simplifies complex concepts, helping you understand how to target your audience better, and how to optimize your ads for maximum return on investment. It emphasizes the vital role of analytics in understanding your audience's behavior and fine-tuning your strategy accordingly. In short, it's a GPS through the labyrinth of Facebook advertising, guiding you towards successful campaigns. Then we have Google AdWords, Analytics, SEO, and AdWords for your business. This book is like an insider's guide to Google's advertising platform. It strips away the mystery and helps you navigate the world of Google AdWords with ease. It provides a detailed understanding of how to use analytics to track the performance of your ads, and how to use this data to improve your campaigns. The book also delves deep into the realm of search engine optimization, or SEO, which is crucial for any business aiming to improve their online visibility. It gives you the tools to understand and utilize SEO to your advantage, ensuring your business stands out in the crowded digital landscape. Both these books emphasize the importance of strategy. They guide you on how to create compelling ads, how to target them effectively, and how to measure their success. They provide the tools to experiment, analyze, and optimize your ads for maximum performance. In essence, these books aren't just manuals, they are your mentors in the world of online advertising, offering insights, strategies, and tips that have the potential to transform your business. These books are invaluable resources for mastering the art of online advertising. To recap, these 4 books offer a wealth of knowledge about social media marketing in 2023. They guide beginners on a journey through the vast landscape of social media, outline strategies to become an Instagram influencer, and delve into the intricacies of Facebook advertising and Google AdWords. In an ever-evolving digital world, keeping abreast of the latest trends is crucial. These books provide valuable insights to do just that. With the knowledge from these books, you're well on your way to mastering social media marketing in 2023. I hope this was helpful. Click the link below to download your free copy now. Enjoy.